You gotta be obsessed with your clients' problems. You see, the cleaning business, I always say it's not just a business where we are just cleaning. You are a problem solver. You're solving people's problems. And you have to be so obsessed with your client's problem that they are waiting on you to give them the answer. They are paying you because you're obsessed with their problem. Maybe they have, maybe the lobby constantly is drawing in dirt or dust, or and they haven't figured it out. And maybe the simple solution is just putting a mat there so that, especially in the winter time, people are able to get rid of the snow particles underneath their feet. That is simple. And one way that you solve that problem is that you don't have to provide the mat. You can connect them to a company that does that and will be able to change their mats from time to time. But if you are not obsessed with your client's problem, they will see through that. And I think that's a mistake that a lot of us are making. Be obsessed with your client's problem. Let that be the thing that drives you, because guess what happens when you're obsessed with your client's problem? You create solutions. And we are into the business of creating janitorial solutions. Maybe they're in their bathroom, the drains smell bad. Be obsessed with that. Go home, research how you can be able to get rid of that smell. Talk to other colleagues. Talk to people who are in the industry, that particular industry, in plumbing, whatever, and offer a solution. Then after you offer the solution, you can now be paid for the work you have done in terms of creating a solution for their problem. Until you are obsessed with your client's problem, you're just going to be an average cleaning company owner who just comes, moves some mops around, collects some dust, wipes some surfaces, and it's gone. And if that is what you want, by all means, suit yourself. But if you want to be known as a person that solves problems, then I want to tell you, one of the best ways you do that is to be obsessed with a client's problem. Listen, if this sounds good to you, I want to invite you to check us out with our 30-minute free consultation on how to do this cleaning business thing. We have 3 commitments. We want to help you build, grow, and establish your cleaning company by giving you the tools that will help you to be successful. But we cannot do that if you don't let us know what you need. So follow us as well on Janitorial Coaching Hub on YouTube. But for today, let us know if you're interested in the 30-minute free consultation. See you around. See you on the side of success.